Trasy Enterprises specializes in designing and manufacturing high-performance machines for converting flexible packaging materials, offering reliable solutions for slitting, rewinding, and pouch making. Our machines are engineered to deliver precision, consistency, and long-term operational efficiency for modern packaging requirements. Trasy Enterprises slitting machines are built to handle jumbo rolls of laminated flexible packaging materials with accuracy and stability. The machine is equipped with a powder brake-controlled unwinder, ensuring precise tension control of the jumbo roll through the slitting process. To maintain uniform web speed and isolate tension fluctuations, a tension isolation nip roller is provided, resulting in smooth and constant material flow. For superior rewinding quality, the machine features an independent rewinding motor, allowing controlled tension winding of the slitted rolls. This ensures perfectly wound rolls, suitable for further processing without telescoping or edge damage. Slitting is performed using circular knives mounted with air pressure, enabling clean score cutting, easy blade movement, and precise positioning. This design reduces setup time and improves cutting accuracy. Additionally, the machine includes trim cutting units with an air blower system to efficiently collect waste trim, maintaining a clean and safe working environment. The slitted laminate rolls, commonly comprising polyester, CPP, LDPE structures, are then transferred to Trasy Enterprises pneumatic pouch making machines for final conversion. These machines are capable of producing chevron-shaped pouches, offering excellent easy peel properties for consumer convenience. The demonstrated video showcases thumb-size punching and chevron pouch formation, highlighting the machine's versatility and precision. The same machine can also manufacture general 3-side seal pouches with V-notch punching, which allows easy tearing of the pouch during use. This flexibility enables manufacturers to cater to multiple packaging formats using a single system. Trasy's pouch making machines are based on advanced pneumatic systems combined with servo motors, all controlled through a PLC and touchscreen interface. The pneumatic and PLC-controlled sealing system allows precise adjustment of sealing temperature, pressure, and dwell time, ensuring strong, uniform seals across different laminate structures. With fewer moving parts and optimized control systems, these machines offer low maintenance costs, high reliability, and excellent value for money. Backed by robust engineering and proven technology, Trasy Enterprises slitting and pouch making machines deliver dependable performance, making them an ideal choice for flexible packaging converters seeking efficiency, quality, and long-term returns on investment.